What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Line Surgeon, and got a little dilemma. Went to start up my Troy Bilt handheld leaf blower, and when I pulled the string, it didn't stop pulling. So we're gonna figure this out. Yes sir. Alright, so I got to the point of taking this bad boy apart, but I still haven't got down to the flywheel or where the coil, the string coil is. So I'm going to show y'all where we at, and then we're going to have to dig a little deeper into this bad boy. Alright, here we are. So I'll show you. This is a leaf blower. This is the tube here and whatnot. Took off that casing. There's all the screws right there. So this is as far as I got on this bad boy. The other time, if y'all remember that video, I'll put a link on top of the screen. So I still can't see the little spring coil or whatever it is. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to take this off. So I'm gonna have to get out my ratchet set and take this flywheel off, apparently. Yes sir. Alright, y'all see the wetness without a little PB blast, little break free stuff. That stuff is a lifesaver sometimes. I got the nut off, and then I unveiled what's behind this wheel, and guess what it is? Y'all never believe it. Absolutely nothing. So I guess I have to break it down even more. So I guess I gotta figure out how to get this red area off. So I'm gonna have to take out more bolts. So let me get to that. Alright, so I have took this bad boy completely apart. And one, I kinda know how to put it back together, but not really. And then two, I still haven't figured out how to re-twine this freaking string. I don't even see where it would go. But I'll figure it out. I am a freaking retard. Look at this. I was looking all over here, picked up this piece. Look what's on the back of there. Alright, so let me dig into this. Alright, so the hard part is done. It's now time for the easy part. So this piece goes on the middle here, like that. So if you look in here, focus man, see this little string right here. This is where it broke off. So basically I have to take this piece out, I have to take this piece out, feed it back through, and then re-knot it. Well, the problem is I got to feed it all back through here as well. That hole, that hole, that hole, and then go in that hole. So good luck with that. Alright people, back out here the next day, and as you can see, your boy, I don't know how to do this with one hand. There we go. Your boy, that thing is back in order, and that was the easy part. Now I have to figure out how to put this contraption back together. Let's see if it starts. Alright people, it is back together. Let's just hope it works. Only thing I noticed different, yes, the trigger works. All the buttons work. The only thing I noticed different is this is a little tighter than it was before. So hope that doesn't affect anything, but we're gonna go ahead and try to get this bad boy started up. Alright,